We'll listen to the choir from Nations.
One sat alone beside the highway begging. His eyes were blind, the lights he could not see. He clutched his rags and shivered in the shadows. Then Jesus came and bid his darkness flee.
If you are burdened with Lord, you'll be liberated tonight. Just keep your heart, I say just keep your faith, you will be free.
When Jesus comes, the tempter's power is broken. When Jesus comes, all tears are wiped away. He takes the gloom and fills the life with glory. For all is changed when Jesus comes to stay. If you were bowed down in shame and you were cast down in fear, look up to me, I will wipe all your tears. Just hold on me. I am healed, I am redeemed, yes, I'm saved from all sin. I'm so free, I'm so free. Yes, I'm free, yes, I'm free, yes, I'm free. I am free, so free from all my fears and all my foes. I am blessed, praise my Jesus. I'm redeemed, I am saved from all sin. I'm so free, I'm so free. Yes, I'm free, yes, I'm free, yes, I'm free. I am free, so free from all my fears and all my foes. I am blessed, praise my Jesus.